Hey, sixth graders, welcome to your first day of distance learning with your math class. So we are going to continue to work in our Geometry 2D, 3D unit. We actually left off with the very first lesson in that unit, classifying quadrilaterals, and you're going to get a little more practice with that in lesson 1. So I just kind of want to explain a little bit about our distance learning experience for our math class. Normally on Schoology, I would house the daily agenda slide. I'm going to continue to do that, except it won't be daily. It'll just house basic information that I need you to be aware of. Okay, so make sure you still check out that slide on Schoology. So your 2D, 3D geometry unit is going to be posted in Schoology in the distance learning folder. And it's going to be organized by lessons. You will have a video to watch, notes to take, and a Schoology assignment to complete. Please know that there might not be a video or notes for one activity, but that'll kind of be the normal pattern. There'll be a video, notes, and then an assignment for you to complete. If you want to print out the notes, I would encourage that. If you don't have a printer, you can work to do the notes digitally. You should be prompted to make a copy of the note sheet. Or you could get a sheet of paper or a notebook and you could just handwrite the notes using my note sheet as a guide. Redo work. In math, remember, you can redo all your assignments for full credit. It's going to run a little differently in that Schoology is going to score all of your assignments and quizzes for now, and you will be able to redo those up to 3 times, and I'll take the highest score. If you have questions as you're working through a lesson and you have a question on something, I know your families are really busy too. I'm going to be here to support you. You can call or email me. You'll see my phone number and extension to get to my voicemail is on there. When you leave me a voicemail, it's actually going to drop into my email, so I'm going to get it right away. I will check my email and voicemail daily from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Eventually, I'm going to find a way to create a video where we can meet and I can answer questions needed, but also it'll be fun to check in with you live via video. That'll come at a later time once Ms. Kluber gets it all figured out. You'll see that there are 8 lessons posted in our Distance Learning Geometry 2D, 3D unit folder. Those lessons 1 through 8 are going to be due April 8th. Today you're going to get started on lesson 1 of our Geometry 2D, 3D. Again, you'll find that in the Distance Learning folder on Schoology. Lesson 1 is going to review classifying quadrilaterals. It's going to review perimeter, and then it's going to drop in a little bit of that 6th grade level with perimeter, which is estimating perimeter of irregular figures on grids. 6th graders, before you start lesson 1, I want you to share how you're doing, and you're going to do that using the Flipgrid link below this video.